Welcome to Anafiotika, one of Athens' most magical and surprising corners, hidden just beneath the mighty Acropolis. As we wander through these narrow alleys today, I want to take you to a tiny world that feels nothing like a capital city, and almost like a secret island in the sky. Anafiotika was built in the 1840s by skilled stonemasons from the tiny Cycladic island of Anafi. They came to Athens to help King Otto renovate the royal palace, and in their free time, they secretly built homes on this hill, exactly in the style of their island. Whitewashed walls, blue doors, tiny courtyards, and uneven stone steps. One surprising fact: many houses here were originally built without official permission. Locals say they constructed them overnight so no one could stop them. Some even call Anafiotika the village that grew under the moonlight. As we move deeper, notice how the streets become almost too narrow for two people to pass. Many paths don't even have names, only numbers. It's said that the government avoided naming the streets to preserve the area's unmapped charm. You might also notice that there are no cars, no noise, and sometimes not even other tourists. That silence is part of what makes Anafiotika feel timeless. Look closely at the windows. Many homes have tiny built-in shelves where residents leave small flowers or seashells brought from Anafi, keeping a connection to their island roots. What makes Anafiotika truly magical is the feeling that Athens disappears behind you. The moment you step into these whitewashed lanes, it's as if the Aegean Sea should appear around the corner. Locals say that when they get homesick, they simply step outside and breathe in the Cycladic-style walls, and suddenly, the city feels far away. And yet, if you look up, the Acropolis rises above, a reminder that you're still in the heart of Athens, even if it doesn't look like it for a moment. So as we finish this walk, let this little neighborhood remind you that even in a huge city, magic can hide in the smallest corners. If you ever visit Athens, don't just look up at the Acropolis. Take the time to explore the tiny village beneath it. Anafiotika will surprise you, calm you, and maybe even make you feel like you've stepped into a dream.